Okay, this is my new George Foreman I got. As you can see, it says it holds 4 burgers. These were huge. They're literally this size. When you start, you cannot put 4 of them on there. That's not happening. This is dripping all over the counter. Once it gets going, stuff drips off of this. It drips. And then it quit cooking before they were done. They were bloody. Yep. Not happy.
First time used. Only thing cooked was 4 strips of London broil. Burnt hand when opening up from steam coming out of unit. And the Nonstick is a joke. I've had older grill for a long time. Only reason I tried to replace it, nonstick surface in spots was going bad. But this is crap.